It's hard to imagine our solar system without Jupiter. After all, it's the largest planet, the guardian of the inner worlds, and a gravitational force unlike any other. But what if, one day, Jupiter simply vanished? What would happen to Earth, to Mars, to the asteroid belt? Welcome to Infinity Beyond, where today we dive into a chilling cosmic thought experiment. First, let's be clear. If Jupiter disappeared instantly, the rest of the solar system wouldn't spiral into chaos overnight. The planets don't orbit Jupiter. They orbit the Sun. So, Earth's orbit would remain largely unchanged at first, but the real consequences would unfold over time, in subtle yet powerful ways. One of Jupiter's most important roles is that of a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Its immense gravity captures or deflects thousands of comets and asteroids every year. Without Jupiter, many of those objects would continue their path unchecked, and some would eventually cross Earth's orbit. In other words, no Jupiter means a much higher risk of catastrophic impacts on Earth and the other inner planets. Simulations show that the rate of large object collisions could double or even triple without Jupiter's protective gravity well. Over millions of years, this could increase extinction-level events, wiping out life before it even has a chance to evolve again. Jupiter also plays a critical role in stabilizing the solar system. Its mass helps regulate the orbits of other planets and smaller bodies. Without it, gravitational tugs from Saturn and even Neptune could eventually nudge planets like Mars or Earth into more eccentric orbits, disrupting climate patterns, causing glaciation, or possibly making the system unstable over billions of years. The asteroid belt, which lies between Mars and Jupiter, owes its very existence to Jupiter's gravity. If the planet were gone, those millions of rocky fragments could be disturbed, flung into new orbits, or form unstable groups, leading to more collisions and more debris entering the inner solar system. But not all changes would be bad. For instance, without Jupiter, the outer solar system would become less radiative. Moons like Europa and Ganymede would experience fewer auroras and less magnetic interference. Radiation levels near Jupiter are some of the highest in the solar system, dangerous for spacecraft and any potential future explorers. That said, the benefits wouldn't outweigh the risks. Without Jupiter, Earth's long-term stability could be compromised. Over millions of years, its orbit might shift. Its chances of encountering stray comets would rise, and the solar system as a whole would become more chaotic, less like the calm clockwork system we know, and more like a cosmic pinball machine. Jupiter has also played a huge role in shaping the evolution of life. Some scientists even suggest that Earth's water, the oceans we depend on, may have been delivered by icy comets redirected by Jupiter's gravitational slingshot. No Jupiter might mean no oceans, no complex life, no humans. In terms of space exploration, losing Jupiter would mean losing one of the most scientifically valuable worlds. Its magnetosphere, moons, and internal structure offer insights into gas giants across the galaxy. Without it, we'd be missing a blueprint for understanding the many Jupiter-like exoplanets we've found around other stars. And finally, there's the psychological loss. Jupiter is a visual giant. Even small telescopes can spot its bands and moons. It's a familiar face in the night sky, a constant in our understanding of the cosmos. So, what if Jupiter disappeared? We'd lose our shield, our regulator, our scientific laboratory, and one of our most iconic planetary companions. Earth might survive, but it would be far less safe, far less stable, and perhaps far less special. In our next chapter here on Infinity Beyond, we'll explore how Jupiter compares to exoplanets found beyond our solar system. Is Jupiter typical, or is our giant a cosmic outlier?